Hi everyone. Here I brought you an episode of garden improvements with the new mini greenhouse we bought in Amazon. This is cute, easy to fix, and cheap with a lot of hopes to get success with my seedlings. I cannot sow seeds in the ground directly because roly-polies are killing them by eating the seeds and also the young seedlings as soon as they shoot up. I have wasted a lot of seeds from last 2 months. Fall and summer seasons are little better, but spring is very hard for direct sow since I am directly growing the veggies on the ground. So I decided to buy it even though it is late for the season by hoping to leverage this as much as I can. Even in hot seasons, we can remove the cover and just have the stand used to put the seedlings vertically until they are ready to replant. I'm not doing the how to fix and review of this greenhouse episode because there are videos in YouTube already for the same. Since this product is not newly available, it's been in the market for quite some time now, and all the reviews I found were really positive about this. All I'm going to tell all the gardeners who are facing issues with roly-polies, slugs, etc. by direct sowing them is that this is a solution to start seedlings early in the season and start gardening to catch up with the harvest. Also, while we have the previous season veggies still growing on the beds and producing, there wouldn't be room to sow new seeds, sorry. So we can use this greenhouse to sow the successive vegetables. Um, then that will be a real help. It's also not expensive if we compare the time, effort, and the money we waste for seeds by direct sow them. This is a replanted mango, grew from seed. We don't know what variety it is, but we know how these mangoes look like. Here, this side, it's definitely warm in here. Yeah, it is warm. These are some okras. I had the previous batch planted outside, and these are the second batch coming. I also sow some seeds directly in the ground, and they got germinated yesterday. Some hot peppers. This one thing is eggplant, and I think some bitter melons are still waiting to germinate. I think this is a black eye bean. I just sow some on the ground directly, and those are germinating as well. Here I got some purple broad beans, like hyacinth beans, and cucumbers. Sowed yesterday. Let's come this side. These are black tomatoes, I think purple. This is dahlias. Like I got bulbs from the plant I bought last year. I pulled those from ground and then just put them in the soil here, hoping that those would germinate soon. Few more tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. I just cut the tomatoes bought from store and put them in the dirt. Those got germinated very nicely. Here in this one I sowed some hot peppers a long time ago and still waiting for them to germinate. These are ridge gourds. I sowed some in February and replanted on the ground, but for the heavy rains those got killed, and also roly-polies eaten up all the greens. Now this is the second batch. I think I'm gonna replant them after I see the second round of real leaves. Maybe by end of April that would happen. And this is basil. I just bought these plants, the sweet basil, and replanted them in the ground, but roly-polies are eating these plants up, so I just pulled them off the ground and planted in a pot here. So I'm gonna replant these later when they grow bigger. So this is it I have in the greenhouse. Going to sow some more seeds this week, and I'll give you update later when I get new seedlings. That's it. Thank you. Close the zip back because it's cloudy until around 11 or 11:30. So I'm gonna see if it gets too hot, and then I'll open the cover. That's all about the greenhouse, friends. Hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you next time with more updates about my garden. Thank you.